Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up face lock on Vivo Y29. If you are using Vivo Y29 and now you want to set up your face unlock on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to follow some steps. The first you have to open your phone settings. From here just scroll down and look for password and security. Select it. Then select face from here. And here you just have to enter your phone password. And then you have to start enrollment from here, just tap on it, and after that you have to complete the process, which is you have to scan your face here. Just wait for it, and after the process just tap on OK. In this case you have successfully set up your phone for face unlock. And now if you want to set your face unlock to your app encryption or app lock, you just have to enable the setting. And here are some different settings. You can easily change the animation style from here, that what will appear on your lock screen. You can easily select and then tap on apply. So that's how you can easily set up your phone face unlock on Vivo Y29. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.